Students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will discuss the concept of molecules. As you know, we are familiar about atom. So when we discuss atom in the last lecture, we say that it is the basic unit of the building block and is made up of any substance is made of atoms. So the basic unit of matter is atom. And we can further define it as atom is the smallest unit of any particular element. So dear students, today we will discuss what is molecule. So as you know, as we discuss atom first, so a molecule is formed when two or more atoms combine together chemically. A molecule is formed. The smallest particle of an element or a compound that can exist independently is called a molecule. The molecule of a substance shows all the properties of that substance. So, molecule of an element. A molecule can be formed when two atoms of same element or different elements combine together. A molecule can be formed when two atoms of same element or different elements combine together. When similar kinds of atoms combine, they form molecules of an element. When similar kinds of atoms combine, they form a molecule of an element. For example, two similar hydrogen atoms combine to form a molecule of hydrogen element. As you know कि हम जब देख रहे हैं कि जब दो elements when similar kinds of atoms combine together they form a molecule of an element. For example, two similar hydrogen atoms combine to form a molecule of hydrogen. So hydrogen atom plus hydrogen atom को जब हम combine कर रहे हैं तो ये बन रहा है hydrogen molecule. जैसे आप इस फिगर में देख रहे हो, there is hydrogen atom 1 plus 1 hydrogen atom and it combines to form hydrogen molecule. को अब जब इससे मतलब हमें ये पता चला कि जब हम किसी एटम के molecules को combine कर रहे हैं, whether it is same kind of molecules or different kinds of molecules. So same भी मिल सकते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ तो molecule बन सकता है और different kinds of elements भी एक दूसरे atoms एक दूसरे के साथ मिल के molecules बना सकते हैं. So यहाँ पर हमने देखा है when two hydrogen atoms combine they form hydrogen molecule and when the different types of another example is one oxygen molecule plus one oxygen molecule they form oxygen molecule. यहाँ पर मुख्तलिफ किस्म के atoms two similar chlorine atoms combine to form chlorine element Cl plus Cl. यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि एक ही जैसे with the same type of elements combined together they form same molecule, that is chlorine molecule. And another example, two similar nitrogen atoms combine to form molecule of nitrogen element. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, क्लोरीन एंड नाइट्रोजन. तो ये सिमिलर टाइप्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स जब एटम्स जब मिले तो इन्होंने विद द सेम टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाए हैं. थैंक्स.